OML?
Okay.
Mommy, slow.
You know they talk?
Let's have it.
Huh?
Okay, but God have mercy upon us.
Jesus.
Hey. I talk her.
Let's have it.
Victor, you don't get. Kana.
Jesus.
Hey! I'll tell you this one.
Okay.
So, you know they talk at all?
Let's have it.
What be this?
Shut
What
down.
be this? What be this?
Eh? They are dog in a shower water.
Let's have it.
Eh? Eh? Eh?
Now what for you, bro?
Eh? Don't worry.
Okay.
Me and you, nah.
Let's have
That
it.
I do. Eh? He? Eh? Eh? That you do me this way, do it for nights. When I be so, when I be so, let me fuck deaf and dumb. You sweet though, eh? Eh?
Let's have it.
Eh? Eh? I swear, eh? See? Don't worry.
Now what?
Maybe all those stupid guys that they will kill us with beer. So yeah.
Are you playing? What type of play?
Don't worry, I will send you money. Even you self, if I used to do girlfriend self, I don't go get problem. If you do too much, I don't go follow you talk because I don't go hear what you talk. Eh. So I go let now. That will not be any issue. Thank you. God bless you.
Let's have it.